Welcome back, Allendale first graders. It's Mrs. Croissant with SIPS lesson 38. All right, let's get started. We're going to say a word, we're going to drop a sound and see what's left. All right? So you're going to say ch, unk, drop the nk, and we're left with j. Say sink, drop nk, and you're left with C. Unk, drop unk, you're left with Say ink, drop that ink, and we're left with ink. Ink, drop drop ink, and you're left with hey. Say ink, drop ink, and you're left with thi. Very good. All right, boys and girls, we have a tricky thing to learn today. We have a new sound. We have the C sound. So let's read our sentence. The pencil cost 10 cents. You may have noticed that when we came across this C, it made different sounds. Let's take a peek and see what's going on. We have cent, city, fancy. Int, itty, and fancy. Let's take a look at these. At, ost, and ups. So when we see a C up here and it has an E, an I, or a Y after it. So here's my C with an E after it. Here's my C with an I after it. And here's my C with a Y after it. When we have those, it makes a S sound. It equals an S. So this S sound can be a C sound. Now, when we have an A, an O, or a U, the other vowels, it makes a K sound that you're used to making. At. This gives us a lot to think about, doesn't it? All right, let's go ahead and read our list. And we're going to probably have some chances to practice this C sound with an E, I, or a Y. Are we ready? Let's start it here. Race. There's that C, race, with an E after it. It's also an E that's telling the A to say its name. A. So there are two things going on here. C. Mercy. There's that C with a Y after it, so it's saying S. And if you're in my class, you know Mercy from Mercy Watson, don't you? Us. So here we have the C with an I after it. So it's saying we also have that the C going k, us, because when it's a U, it makes the k sound. Circus. That was a tricky word. It had two C's with two different C sounds. On, sticking, alt, ice. So again, we have the E jumping over, telling the I to say its name, and we have the C with an E after it, so it makes the S sound. Price. Ice. I see. There's the E and the Y. The E and the Y making it this sound. Faith. Amp. camping. There's that C with an E. Caused, caused. Club. Ice. So there's that silent E telling I to say its name, but also the C with an E after it, so it makes this sound. Pencil. Drown. And K. O. So here's the O. It's making the K sound. Coded. Coded. There we go. Coded. Whew. That was some tricky stuff, wasn't it? So remember, if there's an E, an I, or a Y, it says S. The C makes a S sound. If the C has an A or an O or a U after it, it makes a K sound. All right. So keep that in mind when we're doing some reading, won't we? It's time to look at our syllables. Remember, we have our vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel, and that's helping us figure out where our syllables belong. So we have a vowel and a vowel. How many consonants are in between? 2. So we put our dot right in between them. We have d, is, k, us. Ready? Together. Discuss. Here, I'm going to look at this one because last time I messed it up when it was a U. Yikes. Vowel, vowel. How many consonants in between? 2. So let's put our dot in between. We have unsafe. Together. Unsafe. All right. Ooh, this is going to be another tricky one. Let's look. Vowel. Vowel. How many consonants in between? 2. So let's put our dot in between. Now we have our vowel and another vowel. How many consonants are in between there? 2. Let's go ahead and add our dot. So let's look at what we have. Pep, pep. Per, mint. Let's put it all together. Peppermint. All right. Whisper. Vowel. Vowel. How many consonants in between? 2. Let's put our dot right there. Whisper. Put it together. Whisper. And our last one. 2 vowels. 2 consonants in between. Put our dot. And we have a den. Together, garden. Nice. I think we're really getting the hang of that. That is getting easy peasy for us. Okie dokie. It's time to look at our new sight words. Let's see. Can you guys see this? You can. Please get here early. Our first word is early. Ready? Read. Early. Spell E-A-R-L-Y. Early. Okay, I'm going to move my computer so you can see this next sentence. That group has 5 people. Our next word is group. Ready? Read. Group. Group. Spell G-R-O-U-P. Read. Spell. Group. And our last sentence. Let's really bring the computer down here. A bug flew through the window. A bug flew through. Oh, and I know some of you had this in your sight word bag. This was a really tricky one. Through. Through. Let's spell that out. Through. Through. Spell Through. Through. Perfect. Let's add them into the rest of our sight words. Ready? Earth. Spell. Heard. Learn. Thought. Thought. Similar to through, but through has an R right here, and it doesn't have a T. You guys get that those two words mixed up quite a bit. That's really common. So we have to really watch for that Bought. B-O-U-G-H-T. Brought. Climb. Caught. Caught. I caught you. Young. Pie. Lie. Tie. Eight. Toe. Half. Early. Group. Through. Through. Whew. Alrighty. It is now time for our dictation. So grab your paper, grab your pencil. I'll get mine. And let's get ready for that first word. Our first word is stick. Stick. Okay, this is going to be tricky, so let's sound it out together. St. S-T. St. I. K. That k sound you're hearing is, I think it's covered over there, is the CK. St. I. K. Remember, the CK sound always comes after a short vowel. So if you hear it, I is a short vowel. So the K that comes after it is going to be the CK. Stick. It's the third spelling on the kick the can. Okay, number 2, ice. Ice. So I is saying its name. Let's write an I. I want us to look up here. Ice. I know that ice has an E at the end. So my C is making an S sound. Let's write a C, E, ice. So that C is making the S sound because there's an E after it. Ice. Okay. I'll do that so we can see that. Okay, our next word, clap. K. It's going to be a C, K, L, A, short A over here, A, clap. We will clap our hands after the performance. Clap. Okay. Number 4, sleep. S, L, E, 2 E's. Our 2 E sounds are on our E card. Let's see, it's the second spelling right here on our E. So it's sl, E, 2 E's. Sleep. Sleep. Number 5, busy. B, B. B, U, S, Y. Busy. Busy. Number 6, picture. P, I. So, I. Short I. Picture. This is a tricky one. Picture. P-I-C-T-U-R-E. Picture. I'm going to take a picture of the classroom. Number 7 is our sentence. I hear a voice. So capital I to start us off, because we always start our sentence with a capital I. H, ear. H, E, A, R. Which E? Ear, the E-A. I hear A. You know that, A. And then voice. It says which oi, and it's going to be the first oi sound. V, V. Oi, O, I, C, E, voice. And that C is making this S sound because it has an E after it. Voice. There we go. I hear a voice. And then I'm going to put a period at the end because this is a telling sentence. Needs a period. All right, boys and girls, that is our last Syllable lesson. We will not be doing any more. You have finished them. I want to thank you so much for joining me. I know it's been challenging and difficult, but you guys are really working hard, and I'm so thrilled for you to come to 2nd grade. I think if you have been working at this and following along, you're going to be just fine. I will see you next year. I've missed you tons, and I wish you all the best over the summer. Bye.